Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about how to add friends nearby in Snapchat. Here is what you need to do. Go to your Snapchat settings and make sure you enable Snapchat to use located data. This will allow the Snapchat app to use your located data. Once you have allowed Snapchat to use your located data, go to the map feature. Here you will find all your friends who also use Snapchat and have authorized the use of located data. You will be able to see where your friends are on the map. Some use may allow Snapchat to share the located with others, allowing you to see the location. It is important that other users give Snapchat permission if you want to see the location, so ask your friend to do the same. Make sure you are giving Snapchat permission for you locate and enable the option to let your friends see your location. Here is how to do it. Go to settings located in the top right corner, turn off ghost mode and hide my location, so everyone can see your location in real time. This way you won't have ghost mode enabled and Snapchat will be able to use your location data and show it to your friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel to receive new content. See you in the next video.